Welcome to my channel, STEM Cafe, where I look everything science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Easy to comprehend, assimilate, fun, and entertaining. We have already started fractions, but I feel that I should deal with mixed and improper fractions separately. The operation pattern is not different, but there are some twists, and if you don't know it, you might feel like it is difficult. Now we have spoken about mixed and improper fraction, that they are interconvertible. You can convert mixed fraction to improper fraction and improper fraction to mixed fraction. Let's see what we mean. Let's say you have a fraction like this, mixed fraction like this, mixed fraction like this. And you want to convert it to improper fraction. What do? You multiply this one by this one. You multiply the whole number by the denominator, then add it to the numerator. So what do I mean? It's going to be 2 times 4 plus 1 over 4. And that's going to give you 9 over 4. So that is about the interconversion of from mixed fraction to improper fraction. So if I want to convert this back to this one, it's nice, it's something understood. I just do 4 in 9. 4 in 9, what does that do? It remains what? 1. That one I will put it on top of the denominator. Now, let's say I want to add 2 improper fraction or mixed fraction. Okay, let's use this one at least. Let's say 3 2 over 5 plus 4 3 over 4. You can initially convert them to improper fraction, or you add the whole number first, then add the fraction separately. You know, this number here means 3 plus 2 over 5. And this one here means 4 plus 3 over 4. So the addition of this can be taken to be 3 plus 2 over 5 plus 4 plus 3 over 4. So you can take it like this. So from this, you can easily see it is equal to 3 plus 4 plus 2 over 5 plus 3 over 4. So this makes the job easier. So it's equal to 7 plus, let's do this one straight. The LCM is 20. 5 in 24 times 2, 8. 4 in 20, 5 times 3, 15. So it's going to be equal to 7 plus 23 over 20, which is 7 plus 1, 3 over 20. So you can easily say this one is 7 plus 1 plus 3 over 20, which is 8, 3 over 20. So you see, the job is very easy, right? But if you are not still, used to this, with time I believe this is how you'll be doing it. You can start by converting each to improper fraction. Now let's convert it to improper fraction. So the same we do for addition, same we do for division. Let's do this. So I can just say 3 times 15, 3 times 5, 15, plus 2, 17 over 5. 4 times 4, 16, plus 3, 19 over 4. Now, I'm going to have its LCM is 20. 5 in 20, 4. 4 times 17, let's say this is 8, 68. 4 in 25, 5 times 19, that is 95. So this gives me 3. 9, that is 15 plus 1, 163. So 20 in 163, that's 8. Remaining 3, 3 over 20. So it depends on which one you feel good for you. Now, let's look at if you want to use the same pattern for subtraction. Now, let's say I have 4 y over 6 plus minus 3 1 over 4. Just the same way we did for addition. I can also do it like this. It will be equal to 4 plus 5 over 6 minus 3 plus 1 over 4. Please, when we are discussing the operation, I said anytime you are doing things with subtraction, always put brackets around it. Because if not, you just make mistake of subtracting 3 and adding 4. Whereas you are supposed 1 over 4. Whereas you are supposed to subtract 1 over 4 and 3 from the rest. So you can see the essence of putting the bracket now. Here now, you can have it like this. It will be equal to 4 minus 3 plus 5 over 6 minus 1 over 4. Here now, this gives me 1. LCM of this is 12. 6 in 12, 2 times 5, 10. 4 in 12, 3 times 3 times 1, 3. So I am going to have 1 plus 7 over 12. 1 7 over 12. You can see. Now let's go a little bit and see what we can do. There are sometimes you will need to take 1 from this. But before then, let's look at if we converted this one first to improper fractions. So let's try. So 4 5 over 6 minus 3 1 over 4 is going to be 4. So now you can see we convert this one to improper fraction. 4 times 6 24 plus 5 29. 3 times 4 12 plus 1 13. So you can see the advantage of this is in this place, if you don't put the brackets right or you forgot to put the brackets, you can make mistake easily. But in this one, you won't make that mistake. That is it. So always be sure that you are not stingy with brackets when you are doing operation that involves subtraction. Now, what's the LCM of 6 and 4? That's 12. 6 in 12, 2 times 29, that's 58. 4 in 12, 3 times 30, that's 39. So I'm going to have 8 and 9. That is 1, I think, over 12. 12 in 19, 1, 7 over 12. So you can see, very easy. And so you can easily do any of the mixed fraction, improper fraction operation by conversion to improper fraction easily. When it is improper fraction, you can do any operation just like you do when it is proper fraction. You can add, you can subtract, you can multiply. But when it is mixed, addition, subtraction, there will be some necessary modification or after conversion to improper fraction. Let's see. Now let's do this one. 5 1 over 4 plus 3 2 over 3, or 5 1 quarter plus 3 2 thirds. Here in this instance, if we do it by collecting the whole numbers out, as I did before, plus 3 plus 2 over 3, we are going to have something like this: 5 plus 3 plus 1 over 4 plus 2 over 3. So you see, it has been simplified now, easier to handle. So I have 8 plus 12 here. What do I have here? 3 plus 8. So at the end of the day, I'm going to get 8 11 over 12. Now let's see what the subtraction will look like. But if I had converted straight to improper fraction, it's going to be like this: 5 1 over 4 plus 3 2 over 3. It's going to give me 21 over 4 plus 11 over 3. So what was the LCM? 12. 4 in 12, 3 times 21, 63. 3 in 12, 4 plus 11 times 11, 44. So what does that give me? 7 107 over 12. 12 in 107, that is 8. That's 8 times 12, that's 96. So I have 8. So 96 increments 11, 11 over 12. So you see, just get used to this. And but I always advise, if you are not yet used to this, first of all learn by conversion first to improper fraction. Any operation you want to do, first of all convert to improper fraction. So let's see another one. Let's say I have 5 3 over 4 plus 3 2 over 3. So that will give me 5 plus 3 over 4 plus 3 plus 2 over 3. So that's going to give me 5 plus 3. Let me see something. Plus 3 over 4 plus 2 over 3. This is what it gives me. So it's going to be 8 plus 3 over 4 plus 2 over 3. All this one, once you are very good in this, you don't need to go through all this step. From here, you just know you have 8. From there, you know. So you just jump from here to here. This is just for your learning stage. Once you are good, from here to here, that's what you do. So we have this, and then 12. 4 in 12, 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 in 12, 4. 3 in 12, 4. 4 times 2, 8. So it's going to give me 8 plus 17 over 12. If you look at this, it's going to give me 1, 5 over 12. 8 plus 1, 5 over 12. And that gives me 8 plus 1 plus 5 over 12, which is 9, 5 over 12. So you see, very easy, fun to handle. Just all these ones are not necessary once you have known what you are doing. So jump from here to here once you are very good. And then from here, you jump straight to this place. Get your answer. Now let's look at how subtraction will be. With this that you have done, you can easily see what it will be if it is in improper fraction. Once it is in improper fraction, you can convert to mixed fraction then from there. Or you can do it straight from improper fraction. And I've shown you, you can convert from mixed fraction to improper fraction and then do your work. You can do that for this one too. Don't let's waste time, let's go straight to subtraction. Now let's look at this. 5 to 12 minus 3 3/4. If you look at this, let's try to do it with by converting first to improper fraction. That's my advice. I'm stressing it. If you are not yet, good in this. First, when it is subtraction, convert to improper fraction first. With time you will get to know how to handle this. Now this, if I should do that, I'm going to have 5 times 3, 15 plus 2, 17 over 3. Minus 3 times 4, 12, plus 3, 15 over 4. You understand? Meanwhile, this one can be greater than this one. This one can be greater than this one, which can result to negative answer. So don't panic. Anything can happen. Now, since you have this, let's go straight to 3 in 12, 4. 4 times 17, 68. 4 in 12, 3 times 15, that's 45. So what does that give me? It gives me 3, 2, and that gives me 1, 11 over 12. Now, let's look at it if I do it and maintain as I did it before, without converting first to improper fraction. So this gives 5 plus 2 over 3 minus 3 plus 3 over 4. So at this juncture, I'd like to inform you that we have classes, and if you need any assistance or you need anything to be answered, I'm ready to assist at any time. You can contact me through the channels in the description, or anything you can ask through the comment section. Thank you. Here, we have 5 minus 3 plus 2 over 3 minus 3 over 4. So what does that give us? It gives us 2. Let's go straight to LCM. 12. 3 and 12, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 4 in 12, 3. 3 times 3, 9. So you see, what does that give me? This one will now give me 2 minus 1 over 12. 8 minus 9 gives minus 1. You understand? 8 minus 9 gives minus 1. So you can now make it like this, which is equal to 1 plus 1 minus 1 over 12. The answer is obvious, but I want to show you something more. What you are doing is this: 1 plus, we make the LCM in this instance and this instance to be the same. So I'm going to have 12 over 12 minus 1 over 12, which is 1 plus 11 over 12, which is 1 11 over 12. So once you are very good at this, there are so many processes you don't need to do. Like from here, you get your answer straight. From here, you get your answer straight. So from here, you just jump to this bit. But for practice, before you are, you get used to this. Now, I want to look at the situation where the one behind is smaller than the one in the front. We have done the one for addition. So now, let's look at what it will be like. Now, let's look at an example like this: 3, 2 over 3, minus 5, 3 over 4. I said it's the best thing is to convert to improper fraction. So you can have it like this: 3 times 3, 9, plus 2, 11 over 3, minus 5 times 4, 20, plus 3, 33. You can see. So from here, what do we do next? We look for the LCM. So here, 12. 3 and 12, 4. 4 times 11, 44. 4 and 12, 3 times 23, 69. So I'm going to have 5, 25 over 12. I think that's minus. That's minus. So that gives me minus 2, 1 over 12. This is still simpler than I want it to be. So you can also do straight listening for this. You can say 3 plus 2 over 3 minus 5 plus 3 over 4. And that gives me 3 minus 5 plus 2 over 3 minus 3 over 4. So this gives me minus 2 plus 12. 3 and 12, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 4 and 12, 3. Minus 3, 9. So I'm going to have minus 2, minus 1 over 12. You can see this is minus, this is minus. So it's very easy, just like addition. It's going to be minus into 2 plus 1 over 12. So it's minus 2, 1 over 12. straight. You don't even need to do this, but just to explain, that's what I did. So that is just one. You can see, we can break it down, or we can do improper fraction straight. Now let's look at one more example before we go to multiplication and division. Now look at this. We have 3 2/3 minus 5 1/4. So it's going to give us 3 times 3 9 11 over 3 minus 5 times 4 20 plus 1 21 over 4. So this one is easy to handle now. Mixed fraction. Improper fraction. So if it's in improper fraction, it is always easy to handle. Very. Now let me have it 12. Anyway, probably maybe that's just my own sentiment, but it depends on you when you practice. 3 and 12, 4. 4 times 4. 4 times 11, 44. Minus 4 into 12, 3. 3 times 21, 63. So that gives me here 9 and then 1 over 12. But that is negative. So it's going to be minus 1, 7 over 12. Now, if I want to do it direct, let's see how it will look like. I have 3, 2 over 3, minus 5, 1 over 4. And that's going to give me 3 plus 2 over 3, minus 5, plus 1 over 4. Don't forget this. So, what does that give me? It gives me 3 minus 5, plus 2 over 3, minus 1 over 4. Don't forget, this one is going to give me minus 2. Let's see what this gives. Plus, this is 12. 3 is 12, 4. 4 times 2, 8. Minus 4 is 12, 3 times 1, 3. Please, I want you to look at this example very well. So if you have not yet, always, handle it with improper fraction until you have studied this one very well. So I'm going to have minus 2 plus 5 over 12. Minus 2 plus 5 over 12. You know what this one will now give me? In the other instance, I told you break it into 1, 1. Remember? So this one will now be minus into 2 minus 5 over 12. I think this is the easiest way to look at it. Put minus there. 2 minus 5 over 12. Easiest way. So it's now going to give you minus into 1 plus 1 minus 5 over 12. So you see. Very easy. Minus into 1 plus 12 minus 5. So it is minus into 1 plus 7 over 12. Minus 1, 7 over 12. So you can see, so that this confusion will not arise, I always advise, until you are well grounded in this, always do your paper or exam when you have subtraction in this form, as in list, convert to improper fraction first. So any question, I'll attend to them. You are welcome. And any advice or alternative ways, please. So before we go on, I want to state something, a fact that is obvious. You know you can add whole number to fractions easily. You can add whole number to fractions. Like if I have 2 plus 2, plus 2 over 3. That's going to give me 2 over 3. If I have 3 plus 1 over 4, that's going to give me 4 1 over 4. It's very obvious. You understand? So 3 plus 1 plus 1 over 4. In the same way, you can subtract fractions from whole number from fraction. Let's look at this. You can say 2 minus 2 over 3, or you can also say 1 over 4 minus 3. Let's see what this one will give us. I have shown you how to do this already. Or you can convert this one also to improper fraction. That will be 6 over 3 minus 2 over 3. So this one will give us 4 over 3. 1 over 3. Or you break it down like I showed you the other time. 1 plus 1 minus 2 over 3. This one here, you can easily make it like this. You can easily make this one like 5 over 4 minus 12 over 4. And that's going to give us minus 7 over 4, which is minus 1, 3 over 4. Easiest way to handle it. Or you make it like this. Or minus 3 plus 1, 1 over 4. And what does that make it? It's going to be minus 3 plus 1 plus 1 over 4. That is minus 2 plus 1 over 4. But like I showed you before, it's going to be minus 2 minus 1 over 4. So minus into 1 plus 1 minus 1 over 4. Minus 1 plus 4 over 4 minus 1 over 4. Which is minus 1 plus 3 over 4 minus 1 over 4. So you can see, once you look at it over time, you can easily get the answer without even going through all the workings. So this is what I want you to look at. You can add, you can subtract whole number from fraction, fractions from whole number, anyhow you can do it. So without wasting time, going straight to division and multiplication. So when we have mixed and improper fraction, under multiplication and subtraction and division, sorry, you must convert everything to improper fractions. You must convert it to improper fraction. Let's look at this. If I have 3 over 4 times 6 1 over 3. If I should be breaking it down, if you make it unnecessarily long, you can look from even addition and subtraction. But if I want to do this, I must convert everything to improper fraction unless it is whole number. Even if it is whole number, it is even better. Well, you can do that one straight. So this is what you are going to do. 4 times 4, 16 plus 3, 19 over 4. Times 6 times 3, 18 plus 1, 19 over 3. And what does it give me? 4 times 3, 12. 19 times 19, let me see. I think it's 381. So the answer is 361 over 12. And from here, what do we do? 12 in 36. 3 in 1, 0. 1 over 12. So that is the answer. You can see it's very important, pertinent to convert first to mixed fraction, improper fraction. But if it is in improper fraction already, carry on your operation without conversion to mixed. That's the thing. Let's look at another one. If I have something like this, 2, 3 over 4 times 1, 1 over 6. What does that give me? 2 times 4, 8 plus 3, 11 over 4. 1 times 6, 6 plus 1, 7 over 6. So what does that give me? 11 times 7, 77 over 24. And I think that should be 3. 5 over 24. Let me check. So that's how it goes. So you want to multiply mixed fraction or improper fraction with a whole number. So let's do this one. So 4, 2, 3 over 4 times 2. So the best thing, as I said, is convert this one to what's it called? Improper fraction. But in this instance, it is okay. The best thing, don't let me waste time. 4 times 4, 16 plus 3, 19. 19 over 4 times 2. So this one, call this. So this is 2. So that's 19 over 2. So here, what do I have? 9 and a half. So you can see 9 and a half straight. Let's see what this one will be like. If I say okay, 2, 3 over 4 times 8. It's going to give me 2 times 4, 8 plus that 11 over 4 times 8. So you see, here, 2. What does this give me? 22. So that's 22. Now let's look at another thing. If I have it like this, 2, 3 over 4 times 3. What does it give? It's going to give me something like 2 times 4, 11 over 4 times 3. 33 over 4. So you see, it's not necessary that we end at this place. You might get to this point and then start doing this. 4 in 33, 8, 1 over 4. So it can be like this in any form. Now let's go to division. So in this instance, let's see how the division will go. We have 19 over 4 divided by 19 over 3. You know, we have said that this side, it will be multiplied by the reciprocal of this side. So this is what I mean. It's going to be 19 over 4 times, this one will be reversed, 3 over 19. So this one cancels this. So the answer is 3 over 4. You understand? So here, let's see. It's going to be 2, 11 over 4 divided by 7 over 6. So it's going to be 11 over 4 times 6 over 7. So we can even start from here. You can call 2, 3. So that is 33 over 14. 14 in 33, 2. 2 times 14, 28. 33 from 28 from 33, that is 5. 5 over 14. So look at this. We have 11 over 4 divided by 8, which is 11 over 4 times 1 over 8. 11 over 8. You see? Now let's look at this one. 3 divided by 2, 1 over 3. So it's going to be 3 divided by 7 over 3. So which will be 3 times 3 over 7. 9 over 7, which is 1, 2 over 7. So it depends on what you are asked to, in what form you are asked to leave it. So this is the simple way of handling improper fraction and fixed fraction operations. So later on we handle decimal. But for now, just to simplify and to bring anybody up to date about fractions operations. Kindly share, subscribe, comment, like, and follow. Please, any other advice, anything that you believe can help this channel to go viral, please, is highly welcome. And any assistance you think we can give to you, yes, we are ready to give it to you. Any class, any level that you can, we have the ability to do it. Thank you very much. All these things you have done to assist this page is highly appreciated. Thank you. God bless you. On to the next lesson. Thank you so much.